Hi, in front of me is REALME 11 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and download this free app from Flartu developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!